Kulay! I'm here at Kulay. And yeah, ako lang mag-isa dito sa branch na to because 9 o'clock pa lang. Naaga pa. Ang C-drama because I was able to converse with someone. Konti lang daw. Guys, safe naman ata dito. Kasi merong rails, may stairs. I just wanna look. You don't trust me with rocks because I don't know. Bobo ako sa mga rocks. I don't know how to step. Look at that! I am sitting here. Like Ariel. Like a mermaid. Kung ano pinagagagawa ko. It's solo. It's called Catholic Sanctuary of Our Lady of Fatima. I need to go sa dito. Fort San Domingo 17, which is banda doon. It's okay, I can walk. Although masakit ang aking tuhod. Kung maglalakad, okay lang. But when I'm going down, it hurts. Mag-museum, right? And this one has a fee, 80 and 80. But it's okay. Let's see, let's check. Me in the park. Fantasy. 버블티
같이 있거든. 같이
오케이.
여기도 맛있어.
맛있어.
여기
메뉴 추천.
아 그냥
오리지널.
너무
넘버 1.